E aí galerinha, sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay aqui no canal. Peço pra quem estiver chegando, deixem um like, não vai custar nada, compartilhem o vídeo. E o pessoal que estiver acompanhando pela Twitch, anote meu... esqueci. O pessoal que estiver acompanhando pela Twitch, anote meu canal principal, Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay, beleza? Anotado? Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay. E também eu peço pra quem estiver aí também, quem quiser ajudar o canal, eu agradeço. E quem quiser apoiar o canal também. E outro recado também, participem lá da galera da comunidade de Discord. Garanto que todos sejam bem-vindos. E bem, o link também tá tudo aí no campo de comentário e na descrição. Bem, galera, hoje nós vai continuar o modo história aqui do GTA V. A última parte, acho que nós estávamos, como posso falar, fazendo as missões do passado lá em North Yankton com o Michael e o Trevor teve Discord. E agora hoje aqui nós vai continuar essa modo história. Nós ligamos o carro, os veículos também a Dave Weston, certo? Eu a lembro. E a amizade entre Trevor Philips e Michael de Santa caiu por ruínas. Está prestes desmoronando, porque eu tentei das razões do Trevor, tentei das razões do Michael. Na verdade, os dois não estão errados, né? O passado que importa lá em North Yankton. Michael de Santa, né? Traiu a amizade do Trevor e o Trevor traiu ele porque ele se importou com a sua família no programa de proteção de testemunhas do FBI, que participou junto com o Dave Norton, lá, o colega dele, delegado, parece que ele é, né? E todos esses anos estava vivendo em Los Santos em segredo com um programa de proteção de testemunha. E a parte do Trevor achou durante esses 10 anos que o Michael tava morto, né? E o colega deles lá foi descobrir que eu. E foi acertar contas com o Michael sobre quem realmente estava enterrado lá no cemitério North Yankton. Bom, aqui estamos na casa do. Ah, o jogo abriu agora. Casa do Frank, né? E agora tá pra Problemas aqui no controle. Esqueci de carregar ele mais cedo.
Chop, what you been eating? I gotta get a regimen for your ass.
Que horas são no jogo aqui? 5h20. Ah, nós vai fazer aquela missão com o Michael. Vamos tem que salvar a vida do Michael. Mas primeiro, o Michael tá desaparecido. Deixa eu ver. Vamos ver o que o Trevor tá fazendo. Vamos com ele pra Los Santos. Ai, ai. Trailer velho. Ah, legal. Tá fumando, né? Uma. Tomar uma cerveja primeiro, Trevor. Parar de beber. É. Vamos com a caminhonete. Leva o ursinho Ted. Parece o ursinho Ted. Caramba. Oh, down. Vamos aqui com o Trevor. Fazer logo a missão, acho que eu vou colocar como thumbnail desse vídeo. Vamos salvar o Michael de Santa lá do chinês. Vamos ligar pro Michael passar. Salvar uma. Sendo que foi o próprio Trevor quem rasgou, colocou o Michael nessa situação. Ele vai xingar. Olha, em primeira pessoa, vamos lá. Vamos ligar pro Frank.
Well, I'll be fucked.
Ele xinga. Vai ficar discutindo toda hora. Fuck me. Nossa, 7h24 da manhã.
Why hasn't someone sensible shot at you yet?
Vamos lá, Mike, Frank. Vamos pro carro do Frank. Vamos ver o que tá acontecendo com o Michael. Ligar pro Michael e não vai atender agora. Nossa.
Ooh, too close.
O Cruz. Olha lá. Vamos lá, Frank. Ah! Deixa eu colocar essas pilhas aqui, depois eu caio esse computador. Puta que pariu, nervoso. Deixa eu ver um negócio rapidão. Agora sim. Tá aqui o carregador. Vamos 8h35 da manhã. Vamos. Sai da frente!
Oh, fuck! Fuck that shit!
Yo, 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 come on in.
Yo, yo, yo!
You probably think I'm such a loser.
Deixa eu ver aqui.
You won't regret it.
Ah, eu comprei isso aqui.
I drive through South Los Santos sometimes, just to soak it all in. Thanks for...
Ah, tá pra jogar o modo online. Eu acho que eu vou jogar em live com você depois, galera. Vamos fazer aquilo de novo.
Hello, this is 911. What emergency service do you require? Thank you.
Thank
Police
you.
officers are en route to your current location. Thank you.
Nossa, estão saindo aqui.
Start, you piece of crap! Hey, look out for fools like me!
Seu desgraçado, você me... Vamos começar uma missão assim mesmo, vai. Já começou bem com os chineses, hein?
Damn degenerate!
Somos mulheres. Ixi, Maria. Carne fresca é o nome da missão.
Shut the fuck up! Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, my
Oh.
N-word, huh? What's up, homie? Huh?
Oh, there, homie.
Oh, is that how you act, huh? When a friend makes a mistake, huh? Really? Oh,
No.
what? Oh, so what? It's
No,
just
cara,
me
no.
getting hurt? Is that funny?
No,
Huh?
Isso é
Well,
engraçado.
fuck you! I'm gonna put
What?
you in the
Oh,
fucking
fuck you.
ground. You laugh at me again.
Man, calm down.
Calma,
I have
cara.
met a lot of assholes in my life, but you, oh, you're not long for this world if this is the way you fucking act. You
Agora o
little
Trevor
jumped
desconfia
up,
da própria
motherfucker.
sombra. Olha lá.
Look, how about this, man?
Escuta,
Calm
cara.
down. It was funny at first, man. I made a mistake. Unfortunately, man,
Infelizmente,
you
cara,
failed.
você caiu.
It was funny, all right? I apologize.
I accept
Eu aceito.
your apology. Okay?
Tá bom?
Alright, so
Certo, então
let's hug it out.
vamos fechar com um abraço.
Right? Yeah,
So you
fucking
funny,
gotcha! Oh, fuck, no, I'm not funny. Fucking asshole!
Foque nessa.
Oh, fuck, I had a difficult childhood.
Damn, man, you all right?
I'm just fucking on edge, you know? Look, I love
I
you,
know.
right? But I would have just fucking
Look, man.
Look,
Lester
man.
said you had some information for us about Michael.
Michael. Fuck Michael. I hope he's dead.
Man, I know y'all two, man. Come on, man. You two had beef before. But what the fuck happened in North Yankton? Somebody pinched him, man.
North Yankton,
Who?
isso aí, Frank.
My friend Ron met these
O meu
Chinese
amigo Ron
assholes.
conheceu uns
They're
cuzões
from
chineses.
Yangshan in China.
São de Yangshan, na
We had
China.
some problems.
Tivemos uns
I
problemas.
mistakenly thought Michael
Eles se
was a
confundiram,
human being
acharam que o
and
Michael era um ser humano.
Yeah, and now it looks like
E
they
agora
hold him
parece que
somewhere
eles estão
in
com
the
ele
city.
no cativeiro. Acho que sim.
Come on, bro.
Vamos
Go
nessa,
fuck
mano.
yourself.
Vai
You
se
want that
fuder.
piece of shit? That's your
Você quer
fucking
libertar a
business,
capital?
alright?
É problema
He's
seu,
dead
porra.
to me. Alright? And
O
chances
Michael
are,
morreu pro
if and when
Trevor,
I
né?
see him, he's gonna be dead to
Ele
everyone
vai
else
estar
as
morto pra
well.
todos também.
Hey, come on, bro. Don't do that.
Não faz
You're
isso.
pushing your luck, pal.
Você está forçando a barra, parceiro.
What was that?
Ô,
What was
Zé.
that? Ah!
Nossa!
Asshole! Everybody!
É, sou...
Assholes!
Nossa, o Trevor ficou puto, cara.
Hey, it's me.
What did Trevor say?
O que o
Man,
Trevor
Michael's being
disse?
held by a
Cara, o
Chinese
Mike tá
crew.
na mão de um grupo de chineses por causa do
The
Trevor.
irony isn't lost. I'm
Não
sending
deixe
you
ser.
an app for
Estou
your
me
phone.
enviando um
Michael's cell
aplicativo.
just
O
came
celular
back
do Mike
online.
acabou de ficar
This'll track
online.
its signal. It'll work better the closer you get.
Ô,
Be
Michael.
careful.
Sure.
Sure. Ó o Michael aí.
I told you, he ain't my July.
Don't try to persuade me you're not
Não tente
lover.
me convencer
He's
que você não
laughing
são.
at you, you
Ele tá
fucking
rindo de
idiot.
você, seu idiota.
You're making a mistake.
Tá
It costs
cometendo
a
um
lot of
erro.
money to track you down. I
Ah.
have called every favor I
Eu tive
could
que
in the
pedir favor
Midwest.
pro
And
todo
then you
mundo.
killed several good
Se
men.
você
Good
vai
day.
mata mais
Have a
homens.
day.
Tem um
Good
bom
fucking day to you.
Bom dia, mas porra. Mata ele. O Trevor não vai vir.
No, hey, hey.
Uou, 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 uou.
Where's your humanity?
Aham. Michael.
Let me down. Let me fucking down.
Coloca no chão, porra. Vamos lá, resgata o Michael rápido. Tá mais com correndo nas pernas. Ah, já sei a localidade.
Hey, I ain't even gonna make a tasty hamburger. I only drink broccoli juice. You bought a boy. Incoming. Enough with that shit. Let me
Deixa
die.
eu morrer em paz.
He don't love you. You die alone.
Você vai morrer sozinho.
Look, I get the point, you asshole. I fry your ass like dumpling. Great. I always wanted to die as part of a crude racial stereotype.
Vamos lá, Frank. de óleo, tá? O açúcar é aqui, ó.
Hey, this is a big fucking mistake.
Vamos ver o Michael apreciar um pouco o desespero.
Hey, I'm a valuable commodity.
Nossa!
You idiots! I'll help you get Philips.
Ah, eu ajudo a pegar o Philips.
Bullshit.
Bullshit. Olha ele aqui. Vamos matar com os chineses.
Where you gotta go now?
Começou a festa.
You got an old white dude that don't belong to you! Michael!
Michael!
Hey, hey! It's Franklin! Where they got you? Michael, you in here, man? Michael, dog! Where you at?
Michael!
Time to release this dude! Where you at, bro?
Ó, o Michael tava aqui.
Michael! Hey, where they got you, man? In case you ain't figured out, I ain't paying no ransom. Trevor don't give a shit about this motherfucker.
Nossa, eles não param de vir. Peraí. Nossa, filho, morreu pouquinho.
You ain't gonna get this! 2 seconds! I'm coming, man! Time to release this dude!
Nossa, sangue. Olha o Michael lá.
You want me to waste the boyfriend? Fucking!
Uou, nossa!
There's more guys coming from down there! Throw me a gun! Come on! Throw me a piece! This is time sensitive! Now would be good! I'm about to get made into... Hamburger! Now you scrap, man! They're the guys you was talking about! They got you locked down hard, homie! Shit! Yeah,
Nossa,
turns
aí
out
vem
they
mais.
really want Trevor dead! Go figure! 2 more coming at us from the left, man! Hang in there, dog! What else am I gonna do? Here comes some more! I'ma check around the corner. Can you get yourself down? There's no time to get me down. Clear the corridor first. I was just beginning to feel it all.
É isso aí, Michael.
Damn! Damn, how many of these fuckers are there?
Uou, vamos ver. Não, não, nossa!
你想见血吗？
Get up, let's go!
Nossa, cara. Michael.
Follow me, man! Hey, this way, come on! Come on, Mike! Hey, yo, beef with Trevor Philips! Now you die! Oh, my God! That's the last fucking time I get mistaken for Trevor. Oh, yeah. Back off, man! Let us go! I don't like... We the ones who should be pistol shoot! This way, we almost out! That's gotta be all of us! We should go, man!
Ah, tem um colete à prova de bala.
Come on, let's go! This is my rescue mission, dog! We're going! I just want to get home. I'm gonna get you there!
kick up a tail, shit! I'll lose him, okay? Back up, you assholes!
Desgraçado. Você estava aqui, né? Nossa. Vou ter que voltar aqui, ó, nas linhas. Nossa, toda a polícia tá vindo atrás. Aqui não, que a gente tá aqui. Pistola da polícia aqui.
Is that it? We clear? Yeah, man, we clear. Fuck me, man. What a scene that was. That's about the size of his shit. Yeah. Woo. Back there on that meat hook.
Antes pendurar no gancho, ó.
When the dude had the knife on me, man, I thought the same thing. Frank, thank you, bro.
Thank you, bro.
You didn't have to. Yeah, bro, of course I did. If this shit means anything, shit, the second I knew. Hey, how'd you even find me? Lester sent me this app that track your cell signal. How'd you even know I got snatched up? Trevor told me.
Já meio que me contou, contei a ele,
what
eu
about
sabia.
you disappearing in North Yankton. Yeah, I bet he wasn't that
É porque não foi muito.
Well, he told me in the end. How'd they pinch you anyway? Oh, shit. We're up
Oh,
there,
shit.
and Trevor freaks the fuck out. He was about to kill me, Frank, and then these Chinese guys show up.
Ele estava prestes a me matar.
He fucks off. For real? Too real. Okay. Well, if you
Ok.
want to talk about that,
Nós
how about
também
that
David
Weston?
Weston.
Weston?
Weston,
About
o que
it.
que tem aí?
The last of them
A gente
cars,
pegou o último carro,
only he ain't
mas
paid
ele
the
ainda
shit.
não pagou.
Says he gonna
Ele
invest
vai
the
investir
fucking
a
money.
porra da
Well,
grana.
he's a clever guy. You know, that might not be such a
Cara,
bad
espero,
idea.
você sabe.
Are you fucking serious? Look, Frank,
Olha,
you're
Frank.
gonna get your
Você
money,
receberá seu
okay?
dinheiro,
From
ok?
the sounds of it, you'll even get some interest too. And I got this other deal with Weston down at the film studio. So we gotta wait for that to play out before I
Eu dou a
got
minha
any
palavra.
leverage over your
Marco, tá
team.
vendo?
For real? Come on, Frank. I've had my feet chained to a meat hook for the last few hours. Give me some
O Michael tá dando a palavra dele.
time. I'll figure it out. Promise.
Yeah. Watch out. Whatever.
O carro tá tudo arranhado já. Matamos metade da gangue do chinês lá.
That was your fault.
Ah, resgate.
I see you.
Então dá nós mesmo, com certeza.
Hey, sure
E
you
aí,
don't
tem
want to come
certeza que não quer.
What, your big empty ass house? Dog, I'm depressed enough
Mano, eu já
already.
soltei por mim, deu bastante.
Well, listen, thanks.
Look,
Tá
man,
bom.
before you go,
Escuta, mano, antes de você
what the
ir,
fuck happened up
foi
here?
o que aconteceu lá.
Said, Trevor went crazy.
Fala a verdade.
Kill me, I got jumped by the Chinese.
Ficou de surpresa pelo
Man,
chinês.
before all that, I'm
Cara,
talking
mas
about
antes
the
do fora dos
Trevor,
federais,
this guy Brad,
esse
man.
tal
I
de
know
Red,
what you
e
meant.
esse aí o que você... Ah,
Look,
ó, olha, eu só tomei uma
I made a
decisão.
judgment call. I don't know if it's the right one. I did what I thought I had to do.
Eu tinha que fazer.
I had a young family.
Eu tinha uma família jovem, Franklin.
I was running with a crew of crazy
Eu tava
motherfuckers
andando
with
com um
nothing
bando
to
de
lose.
filhos da
I
maluco.
saw it out. A future for me, for my family.
Futuro pra mim e pra minha família. Eu sei.
Man, you burned every
Cara, se
motherfucker
for
you've
todos os
ever
filhos da
known.
puta que
It
você
was
conhece.
that or die.
Eu era isso ou morrer.
Look, I know it sounds cold.
Olha,
I
eu
don't
sei.
expect you to
Eu sei que talvez
understand.
você não vai entender, não, hein? Mas você vai.
You got ties of your own.
Quando tiver seus próprios laços.
Look, you wake up one day.
Olha, agora,
and
certo
your
dia,
legs
suas pernas.
just give.
Ah,
You just can't run anymore.
e você não consegue mais correr.
All right, man, look.
É certo, cara, olha, só se cuida, ok?
When Trevor finds out you're still
Quando o
alive,
Trevor
I don't
descobrir,
know what the
eu não
fuck
sei
you
que merda ele vai
Don't
fazer.
worry about Trevor.
Não se
You're not gonna
preocupe,
get
ele
near
não
me.
vai chegar perto de mim.
Hey, you watch
Ei,
your...
se cuida,
You hear me?
tá
Dog,
me ouvindo?
it ain't
Mano,
me he
não é de
coming
mim
for.
que ele vai vir atrás.
We straight, it's you,
A gente tá
dog.
de boa, é
It's
com
you.
tu, rolo, com tu.
Just say it.
É, Michael. De volta à rotina. Tudo manchado de sangue. De sangue. Vai lá. Caraca. Ai, ai. Descansar, né, Michael? Ai, ai. Ele tá com o olho roxo. Vamos fazer aquela missão com o Franklin ali pra cima?
still doing chores.
Vamos lá, vamos lá. Vamos ver aqui lá aquela missão. Ah, música, calma. Bam, bam, bam. Nossa. Ah, fala sério.
Okay then, fool!
No way! Shit!
Asshole!
Posto de gasolina. Oh.
My car!
Marcou.
Damn it! Not my car!
Vamos lá, vamos lá.
You got lucky, homie.
Preto Bay aqui a gente tá.
Can't you hear me coming?
Push it. 41, 42, 43.
42, 43.
69, 70. Stop looking at
79.
my
Ah,
ass.
Marianne.
I wasn't looking at your ass.
I know. No
Eu
one
sei,
ever does.
exercitando demônios.
Thin for my taste. But nice.
Mas
You
legal.
going for a swim?
What do you care? You think I got a fat ass and I only swim because I float easily?
I was just making conversation.
Só queria
Doing a
conversar.
three-way.
A what?
A triathlon.
Um
Sounds like
triatlo.
you got way
Parece
too
que
much
você não
time
tem
on your
muito.
hands.
F you. You like
Vai.
a stay-at-home cheerleader, do you? Pathetic.
Patético.
F you,
Quer
bitch.
saber? Vai se
I'll
fuder, vai
beat
ser.
you. Come on.
Aposto que eu dou uma surra.
I bet you like to beat women.
I wonder why your ass is single.
Perfect beach start. I got this locked in. Come on.
Nossa, tem que ganhar.
Shit, you need a vacation or something, lady.
Admit it. You were harping
Nossa.
ass on the beach.
Are you? For real?
I'm not even feeling it.
Man, I really
É,
ain't dressed for this shit.
natação. Bem que ganha fácil dela.
Damn, that's cold.
Don't be a baby. Mommy's not here.
Tá.
I'm your mama now. What are you doing, Marianne? Focus.
Vamos lá, vamos lá.
T1, baby. Here we go.
Atropelou uma gaivota. Ah, pra acender e apagar as luzes, legal.
Watch the damn road.
Uou!
Ha! Familia, film that! Triathlon movers 101!
Fala sério, meu irmão. Ah, vou ter que repetir a missão, cara. Ai, que saco. Repetir.
T1, baby! Here we go! One down, two to go! Smash through the wall! Not enough in the tank. I should have tapered. Did you taper?
What the hell are you talking about?
Scaling down, training before a race. Hey, you fucking tapered!
You out of your fucking mind. The first I knew about this was seeing your skinny ass on the beach.
I said you were checking me out. I knew the feet stretching would pay off. Did you see that transition? Better than sex.
You sure about that?
Uou! meu Deus.
Just changed since you last had it.
Pular essa... Cara, que saco.
Focus! T1, baby! Here we go! I know those deep stretches would pay off. Did you see that transition? Better than sex.
You sure about that? Sex has changed since you last had it.
One down, two to go. Smash through the wall.
Nossa.
Not enough in the tank. I should have tapered. Did you taper?
What the hell are you talking about?
Scaling down training before a race. Hey, you fucking taper.
You out of your fucking mind. The first I knew...
Isso!
This was seeing your skinny ass on the beach.
I said you were checking me out. Untouchable on the fight. Locked in the zone.
Vai da frente. Nossa, cara.
See? Who says women can't be athletically superior to men?
You and my aunt should hook up. You have fun out having fun together.
Caraca, velho. Eles estão desafiando um triatlo, né?
Hey, have you seen a dog anywhere?
Yeah! It went down the beach, I think.
Ganhei, oh!
Great, you won! Aren't you gonna gloat?
Look, we both survived. These things are about taking part, not winning, right?
It is always about winning! Alright.
É, bom, tem que seguir em frente.
Some loser! That unmarried, career-driven loser!
Hey,
Loser.
bro, you better chill the fuck
Ei,
out.
garota, é melhor você relaxar, pô.
I'm out of ammo.
Marianne. Vamos com o Trevor aqui. Los Santos.
Jimmy! It's Uncle T. How about spending some time with a man you can trust and look up to?
Oh, T. Cool, yeah, sounds good.
open? Great. I'll be there soon.
Cara, você pode confiar. Vamos sair com o Jimmy.
Let's do this. My favorite uncle. I'm so glad we're hanging out, T.
Good.
Because me and my dad, we're not speaking right now.
Yeah, I know.
He's an asshole, Uncle T.
I know. I agree, Jimbo. He's one prize asshole. His whole life is just one long manifestation of assholeness. He's ruined you, hurt me, and fucked his life up.
Sometimes, I wish you were my dad.
I can see why.
Ó, o Jimmy falando encostado.
Thing is, us guys, we need role models, and your dad ain't much of one. Uncle T, on the other hand, I'm just a better guy.
Yep.
And when fate finally catches up, man, he will be fucked. Oh, yeah.
So, maybe we should, like, play tennis? Look out!
Go.
I don't want nothing to do with you, man.
Come on, let's play. If I lose, you die. Oh, I'm joking. Potential. Okay, check this out.
Okay. Jogar tênis com um time aqui.
I am amazing.
Trevor está em game point.
Losers,
Losers.
End of.
Lame.
É isso aí. que eu fui perder? Não, o jogo bugou, isso tá errado.
Fuck you.
J-Dog, get it together!
Isso.
The psychological battle was won before we got on court.
Yo, let's bounce.
Good for you, champ.
Ei, pera aí, eu venci, né?
I guess we'll never know who would have won. So, I get it if you gotta attend to your business, but I'm cool to keep hanging on if you are.
Nice to hear from you. Don't be a stranger.
It's good to see you, Uncle T. I missed you.
And I've missed you.
Yeah, my dad said everyone should be terrified of you because you're crazy, but I disagree. I'm not scared of you.
Your dad, eh? What a guy. What a guy.
Nossa.
Careful! Great! Now I'll be in a jail full of chubby chasers!
Legal, Jim.
Here we are, kid.
Uncle T, it's good having you around.
Vamos fazer essa... Deu Frank, já tá aqui em Los Santos.
Hey, I'm going, man, before you take advantage.
Hey, Muscles. Wanna go hang out?
Yes, we're open.
Uou! Vamos com o Michael, vamos dormir essa noite. Ai, ai. Ainda ficamos de ver o Solomon Richards.
This is Dr. Isaiah Friedlander. My practice is closed now, but you can tune into my new radio show for all your mental health needs.
Dr. Isaiah Friedlander. Cadê meu carro? Sai daí.
Save me!
You're shitting me for real.
Or see the terror.
You fucking dick!
This is Dr. Isaiah Friedlander.
This is Amanda. Unfortunately, I can't come to the phone right now.
Amanda ainda.
Namaste.
Namaste. Como que o Solomon tá pretendendo? Parece que ele tá sofrendo um atentado. É o Rocco! Oh não, é o Rocco. A balada do Rocco.
Fuck off, Johnny! Hey, you're a couple real badasses! Put a beat down on an old man! Hey, we don't take that! We have a deal with them!
Just about. Please. Get
Por
those
favor, pega
millennial
aqui
ass
esses.
wipes and pleasure.
You fuck what? Where you going, tough guys?
Mate o Rocco, vamos matar ele. Ah, o Rocco vai encontrar o Silvinho aqui.
You told me we had an understanding!
Ah, tomar no cu, morri! Vem de eu matar esse desgraçado. Chega de morrer esse jogo.
Where are you going, tough guys?
Toma, seu desgraçado.
How you like me now?
Toma, quase morreu. Vamos apagamento aqui.
I'm only a paraplegic, but you can't feel anything.
You're throwing me softballs. Runner. But speaking of accidents, those guys had one.
Oh, if only we'd met 20 years ago, Michael. Maybe I wouldn't be in this mess.
Yeah, you and me both, brother.
Look, it's a pain, I know, but could you come by the studio now? I got something I'd like to show you.
Tem algo que gostaria de mostrar.
Yeah, of course. I'll be right over.
Sim, claro. Já chegou aí. Ah, of course. O que o Salomão tem pra mim? Fort Hills. Come on. Entre.
Come in.
Quarto Salomão. Obrigado, thank you.
Turns out maybe I'm
Afinal, as coisas realmente levam um jeito para esses cinemas, né?
My friend, you're a sentimental
Você é o primeiro mais sensível.
artistic training and nothing interesting to say. I would say you're overqualified. Anyway, shut up.
Acabou aqui, olha só.
Take a look at
Produção de associamento Michael T. Santa. Oh. Fuck me.
Fucking A.
Caralho.
Feels good, doesn't it?
Bom, né?
Feels like I've finally done
something. Finalmente fiz logo. Finalmente fiz alguma coisa.
A movie.
Filme.
Welcome to show business.
Bem-vindo ao mundo de
Nothing
show
but make believe will ever feel quite real again.
Yeah.
Michael, come on. Let me show you some rushes. I think
Deixa eu te
you're
mostrar
gonna
uma.
love it, but
Acho que
it'd be
você
great to
vai
hear
ser
your notes.
ótimo a sua opinião detalhada.
Hey, baby. I just wanted to tell you, I'm
eu
finally
queria
doing
dizer,
something with
eu
my
finalmente
life.
estou fazendo alguma coisa na minha
I'm making a
vida.
movie.
Estou fazendo
A
um
real
filme.
one.
De verdade. Me liga. Vamos procurar aquele prisioneiro da Malde lá com o Trevor. O Trevor já tá na confusão dele.
Self-defense, you hear me? His word against mine. Only his power of speech probably went when it took him out of his throat.
que vocês não vão me pegar? Vamos lutar certinho no shore. Só que eu ainda não andei, né? Fucking you. Vamos buscar aquele prisioneiro mal de lá.
Did you not fucking see me? Miss me! That was entirely your fault!
Vamos lá, vamos lá, vamos lá.
You hit me!
Breaker, 19. Anybody out there? This is Rider.
Ah, look at that! You gotta love rural America!
Que da hora.
Are you crazy? What are you doing? Either join the party or get the hell out. We walk or everyone dies. It's that simple.
Tá tendo um tiroteio.
What the hell?
Obrigado pelo carrinho.
Asshole.
Esse carro tá sem roda.
Are you trying to get yourself killed? Run! Get out of here! Oh, great, we got ourselves a slow one.
Let's do this!
Christ alive!
Agora eu sou perseguido, né? Agora vocês estão me atrapalhando. Virar a polícia aqui. Ele não me quer. Tocar fator de recompensa agora pra voltar por isso. Onde que tá essa fazenda? Acho que é por aqui que ele tá, o safado.
There's a bounty on your head, and it's mine! Ooh, well, I'm sure Ma will understand.
Ah, ele morreu.
That is bullshit!
Eu não podia ter matado o Larry. Vamos ver se eu capturo de novo. Larry. por você ter apagado meu fugitivo em vestir aos meus cuidados. Você acha que desta vez daria pra você
Finance guy.
a tentação de servir sua própria? Esse próximo rapaz é teu pior criminoso. Ah, eu matei o Larry sem querer. A Maldi mandou eu fazer o próximo. Eu posso dizer que não fiquei desapontado por você ter apagado meu fugitivo em vez de retomá-lo aos meus cuidados. Você acha que dessa vez daria pra você resistir à tentação de servir sua própria justiça? Foto, Rain.
Would you open your fucking eyes?
Are you about to get some ass whooping?
Wrong. Vamos fazer aquela missão dos patrulheiros civil.
It ain't so easy being a grandfather.
I don't mean to pry, but is it true about all them bikers that got killed?
All you do is pry, Melvin. It's the only thing you got left. I have been feeling fairly betrayed recently by the local community, yes, and seeking reparations for any wrongdoings.
I always kind of liked Johnny K.
Oh, you
I
did,
miss
did
Johnny
ya?
Cage.
Well, there might still be a bit of him on the bottom of my foot if you're pining for a reunion.
No. Just forget I said anything. I've seen you in worse moods, so I'm hopeful this won't end too nasty.
Johnny Cage. Ah, o Johnny estão falando.
Enjoy.
Cara do céu.
Whatever.
Joseph, Joey, é eles mesmo.
You reached Joe. Please leave a message in American, i.e. English, after the tone.
Toilet cleaners got me real messed up.
Whatever.
Oscar.
Good Lord above.
Cara do céu.
Hello, this is 911. What emergency service do you require? Thank you. Police officers are en route to your current location.
Oh, God!
E a polícia?
Give it up! I'll kill you! Keep an eye out! I need cover! Reloading! Let's go! You! Ah!
Legal.
Reload! Watch my back!
Go to hell.
Nossa, o cachorro atacou.
Go get the bear. Suck this asshole. Go! I'm gonna bolt. Cover me.
Que da hora, cara.
Ugly ass piece of shit. Asshole.
Melvin. Ah, não. Vamos lá. Agora vai. O jogo bugou. O jogo bugou. É que normal quando eu tô procurado, aqui nível de procurar não aparece. Da hora. Olha lá o jogo bugou.
This is Larry Loverboy. How you read me, neighbor?
Vamos lá. Joe e Joseph estão aqui. Ah, pegou um cacto.
Look at that! Put him up!
Oh, it's you?
What are you idiots up to, huh?
Мы здесь защищаем честь Америки. Это предназначено судьбою. Гордая страна, которая может совершить геноцид и назвать это
Fella can't speak
Nossa.
2 words of English, but he knows this is the best country.
Malucos eles. Isso.
Hey, what's that?
Hey.
Illegals ruining the place. Come on, let's go.
Trevor.
Let's go. Get in.
Reckon. Apreenda o suspeito.
You still got that stun gun? Oh, good.
good man. Always prepared.
Homem sempre preparado.
Oh, the depths old troll for $500. You two are completely loco. If you'll forgive my use of Spanish, you do know what that means.
Ah, vamos pegar o suspeito lá.
Despite all this hippie nonsense, but I know you're a patriot, Trevor. I can just tell by looking at you. We had our eye on this fella for a while. Illegal farming, bartering of goods, deep into a shadow economy.
Ooh, sounds like a real menace. So, what happens to these criminals after you apprehend them?
Well, we do our civic duty and hand them over to the authorities. We're not animals. Report and deport, eh, Joseph?
Schlicht na Kubu! How'd you get your hands on this patrol car?
Okay, get me in close so I can incapacitate him humanely. Adios, amigo! This is a citizen's arrest! Not a half-measures guy, are you? I love it.
Nossa, cara. Oh, peraí. No meio da missão.
Good work, boys. Now head for the Seaman factory. We got reports of more illegals working over there.
Where are you taking me? This is a kidnapping.
It's just time for you to go home to Mexico, sir.
What are you talking about? This is my home. I have my papers right here.
Oh, yeah? Well, let me see that.
Oh, os documentos fora.
Oops. Из рук выскочили.
You won't get away with this. I'll report you.
You want to report me?
Are you sure this old man's a threat to American freedom?
Sure as I've ever been about anything.
Jesus, you're a real fuckwit.
Jogar o documento dele fora.
Step on it, Trevor! Well, now that's an admission of guilt if I ever saw one. Probably cartel members or child molesters.
Who the hell are you guys?
Who the hell are we? Well, we are American.
Гордые американцы.
He doesn't even speak English.
Yeah, but he can sing the national anthem like a choir boy.
Один нелегал на земле.
We'll come back for him. Don't let the other one get away. Beauty. Civil Border Patrol, run and I'll put you down again. You understand me?
Okay, okay.
Let's go, buddy. You're coming with us. Yeah, underlay. Come on, move. In the vehicle now. I said move or I will zap you again.
I'm getting in, okay? Crazy assholes.
Trevor, they'll come out of my wages. How am I going to explain bullet holes when I show up for work, huh?
I thought I had an irrational hatred for my fellow men, but you two are something else.
Please, I have a family.
Well, that ain't my problem, sir. You've outstayed your generous welcome offer to you by these here United States.
What? I have a visa. It's in my passport at my house.
Well, you exploited the cracks in the system. Look, I'm nothing against you, personally. I'm not saying you can't come here for a vacation. You know, I went to Mexico once. I hated it, but I didn't try to stay there and infiltrate society and subvert the local culture.
I wonder, do you have a lot of success with women?
Ты арестован за преступление против демократии.
What?
Go, car, go now.
Okay, Jesus.
Двигай, или я тебя заставлю двигаться. Go, go, fucker, go.
Take it easy. I'm going.
Fun, isn't it? And completely humane. Well, good work, everyone. Thanks for the help, Trevor. You're a fine patriot. We'll take it from here. Look, stop messing around and get out of the car.
So I just get left here?
We made Uncle Sam proud today.
Sai da frente.
Moron!
Fuck.
Legal. Vamos voltar pro Michael.
You can see why they call it paradise.
So did I get the roll? Watch out! What the?
Meu carro tá em casa. Quase 2 horas de gameplay já.
This is Dr. Isaiah Friedlander. I can't come...
What's good?
Shit!
Shit.
Hello?
A família não voltou ainda, mas já vai voltar comigo. Você vai ver. Vou dormir no domingo o dia inteiro. A missa do Trevor aqui, patrulheiro. É o que chega a segunda logo. Vamos lá, vamos lá. Vamos conquistar uma mulher namorada aqui no... Como que eu posso falar? No clube.
My boy Frank, good to see you.
Sou conhecido aqui no clube, né?
Is that right?
They only play like 6 songs here. It's kind of making me crazy.
We should go to the back. What do you say? Follow me.
Follow me.
I'm cool with all the G's.
Fancy seeing you here.
Oh.
You're You're getting me all wet.
Baby, you fine. I love your tattoos, baby. Really cool. Keep telling me how great I am.
Whoa.
And your ass is hot. Keep doing what you doing. Man, you got it all. Peach body oil, fake guns, hair extension. Gee, I love it. Baby, you fine. I love your tattoos, baby. Really cool. Keep telling me how great I am.
Oh, I see.
And your ass is hot. Keep doing what you doing. Man, you got it all. Peach body oil, fake guns, hair extension. Gee, I love it. Baby, you fine. I love your tattoos, baby. Really cool. Keep telling me how great I am. And your ass is hot. Keep doing what you doing. Man, you got it all. Peach body oil, fake guns, hair extension. Gee, I love it.
I'd love to party with you. Let's get out of here soon, huh?
Baby, you fine. I love your tattoos, baby. Really cool.
Oh.
Keep telling me how great I am. And your ass is hot.
Wanna go back to my place?
Shit, what you think? Of course.
Okay, of course.
Sometimes I miss the sunlight.
Encontra essa filha atrás da boate.
Here we go, gents. It's about to get hot in here. It must be time for an furnace.
Ah, tá pra conquistar namorada aqui no jogo, galera. Você sabia disso? Tá escrito.
We're gonna have so much fun.
For sure, baby.
You get me drunk enough, I'll give up the back door.
Well, that's an interesting idea.
VIP room is this way.
A área VIP aqui, ó. Garoto. Ah, ganhei essa pilha.
Give me a break, please.
Get out the fucking way.
Vamos fazer essa missão aqui com o Lester.
Shit!
Você vê que esse jogo não tem muitas missões secundárias com o Michael que fizeram. É uma missão que se compra de propriedade. Quanto eu treino, só vou comprar depois que eu conquistar, comprar o cinema mais fácil tem. Vou comprar essa propriedade também com o Frank. Deixa eu ver. Vai de máscara. Cinema daí tem 20 milhões de dólares. 20 milhões, tá porra. É um dos cinemas mais caros que tem. Cinema Troville. Só vou conquistar essa grana depois de conquistar o golpe do banco. Opa!
Too close!
Esconder eles no leste.
What's going on?
Oh, just enjoying a little labor dispute.
Uma
See, we're
disputa
about to do
trabalho.
something really,
Sabe, estamos
really
fazer algo
bad.
muito
So I
ruim.
need to present
Limpando
myself as a
o
proper textile
FBI.
magnet.
So you stopped making anything?
Nothing looks more suspicious in
Nada
America
mais
than someone who's actually
inusitado do
prepared
que
to make
uma pessoa que
something.
está de fato.
Jesus.
Jesus.
What about you?
E você?
Fucking Trevor.
Porra do Trevor.
Having some
Lester.
problems.
Estamos tendo alguns
Brad.
problemas.
Yeah, what
Red.
else?
Sim,
Anyway,
o que mais?
The Union Depository is
União
on hold for now.
Depositor
Can't
está
do it without
suspenso
him,
por
especially
enquanto.
now that he
Tem
knows.
que estar mesmo.
Thank God you guys are here. You alone?
Graças a Deus
Davey,
vocês
where's your
estão-
boyfriend, Steve?
David, você...
He's on his way out.
Seu namorado Steve,
Yeah,
ele está
they're up
subindo.
here. Listen, the shit's about to hit the fan.
A merda
Our
tá
entire
quase no
lives
ventilador.
together has been nothing but a series
Ah,
of fans and shits.
A merda,
Sort this problem
shit.
out for me, and I will
Resolva
get
esse problema pra mim que eu tiro o
leisurewear
senhor
off your back.
engomadinho
And
do
if
seu
we
pé.
don't,
Then I will go to
Você não
jail and you will
resolveu.
get
Então eu
shot.
vou pra cadeia e
Fuck
vocês
you,
morrem.
Dave. I've heard
Fuck
it
you,
all
Dave.
before.
Not like this, you haven't.
Não
Has he
assim.
briefed you? Oh,
Ele
well, yes,
pôs-
he has.
Ah,
He told us
ora,
that if we
pois,
do what you
e nos
say,
disse que se
and
fizer
together
o
we
que
can
você falou.
take down the big bad wolf
Derrotar
that
o
is
grande lobo
government
mau que é a
corruption.
corrupção do
Yeah, and if
governo.
you don't,
É, se não fizer, estaremos todos fritos. Porque a agência está de olho em nós.
bureau that are questioning
O próprio
my
FBI.
methods. They think I'm
Nossa,
a
cara.
liar, a
Uh,
cheater, Some kind of a killer, a thief.
So,
Então todos estão estimados no mesmo copo. Se todos caem a casa, cada um cai.
All right, so what? You want Lester here to hack into the system?
Você quer que o Lester vá no sistema e apague
That will
tudo?
not work.
Não, isso não dá certo. O único jeito de acessar o sistema. Puta merda.
Michael,
you'd
be doing me a very big favor.
Está me fazendo um grande favor.
If you do this, I will make sure that all your files.
Seus arquivos sejam apagados.
I promise you.
Hey.
Ei.
It's the last thing we do.
Esse será nosso último trabalho.
Period.
Depois chega e ponto final.
I'm a man of my word.
Of course, eu sou um homem de
Dave,
palavra.
let's go.
Dave, vamos.
Come on, Lester, let's go.
Anda, Lester, vamos embora.
Good luck, gentlemen.
Boa sorte, senhores.
Take us to the FIB building, parking lot entrance.
So, you got any idea how we'll do this? Scope it out?
Not really, but I thought we'd start by finding a way into the building.
We're going in through the parking lot?
No. We're waiting for someone to come out of it. A janitor.
All right.
Zelador.
How's that gonna get us in?
Well, the janitors are all on temp contracts. They get replaced when their backs go, or they ask for a day off. So, we find one of these guys, we turn him, and that's our in.
Okay. There a particular guy?
I'm in the temp company's database right now. We found a guy about to clock off.
Acho um cara está prestes a bater cartão, precisamos do zelador, né?
Harvey Molina, license plate 83QSL722. We'll follow him, see what we think.
Sounds good.
Harvey Molina.
You should be coming out here soon. Ooh, what's this? Not our guy.
Não é o nosso cara.
So, what do you think about this whole messed up situation?
I think they'll either kill you after this is done, or keep you doing these stupid jobs until they don't have to kill you, because someone else has done it for them.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Já vai meio chato essa missão também.
Something's coming. Nope.
No.
So what do we do?
What can we do? We do the job. Maybe you can delete the files when you're inside doing
zelador,
whatever else you're doing. That might be a way out.
Yeah, well, a way out is exactly what I need.
That's it? That's not it. It's hard to get motivated on a job without financial incentive.
You can't put a price on freedom.
Well, that spur won't be there for the crew. I'm gonna ask Mr. Haynes for a budget. Maybe the leftover cash from the Polito store. We need something.
Yeah, see what you can do.
O copo de paleta bem, sim, isso seria interessante. Quer ver a cabeça da equipe, né, galera? Ele ajuda nos golpes. Tudo.
There she is.
Aí está ele.
You know the drill. Couple of car lengths.
So what's gonna happen when this guy gets wherever he's going?
He's gonna get his severance package.
I can't tell if that's some creepy euphemism or a plain statement of facts.
It's whatever you want it to be.
Okay.
We're trying to blend in back here, Michael.
I think we're fine. Hey, you mind? Put away the smartphone or pad or whatever the hell that is for a minute. No surfing while I'm trying to tail this guy.
It's work-related.
Yeah, well, I'd prefer all hands on deck right now, if it's okay with you. God, you're worse than my son.
You want to break into the FIB's West Coast headquarters, you're gonna need more than a janitor's license plate number. Now, let me work on some angles while you keep this car behind that one and between these white lines.
That's it. I mean, other than a few missing expletives in terms of racial abuse, that was my son.
Limpando o FIB.
In spades.
Missão de planejamento. Né? Temos que conseguir o crachá e a roupa de
I just
zelador.
spoke with Agent Haynes. We've got the budget to pull this off.
Good.
Agente Steve Haynes, né? Ah, entendi. Tem a verba do dinheiro que sobrou, né? O copo do banco Baleto Bay, ah, sim.
Come on. What do we do when he gets home? What do we need from him?
We need cooperation, and maybe his overalls and an ID.
And if he don't cooperate?
You know what it's like to clean up shit for Steve Haynes? He'll cooperate. He's turning left up ahead.
Vou trocar essa buzina aqui, Jimmy.
This is, one way to follow someone.
Hey, this is how I run these gigs.
He's pulling over. Stop down the road a ways. Time to make Harvey an offer. Feel him out.
Hey, Marilyn. How's that cable connection coming along?
Fine, fine. Sorry, look, I'm busy.
Only when she needs something. Jesus.
Ah, qual o nome dele? Pô, eu esqueci agora, não prestei atenção. Harvey. Ah.
You got another one of those, Harvey?
Você tem outras dessas, Harvey?
Who are you?
Quem é
The guy
você?
with your best interest at heart.
O que se
Fill
importa
your
com
pockets
você?
with money and all you gotta
Enche
do
os
is
seus
take a
bolsos de
little
grana e você
vacation.
só precisa tirar umas
I work
férias.
2 jobs, man. Take any break I can get.
Good.
Ok,
Hey, you want
ok,
the beer?
Lucas.
Nah, just take the
Tem-
overalls.
Então não,
Oh,
talvez
and
só o
your ID.
macacão.
It's in there.
E o
Oh,
seu
and
crachá.
Harvey.
Ei,
probably
Harvey,
need
eu
to say
provavelmente não
this.
precisei te dizer isso.
But you don't play ball? I'll be
Mas se
forced to
você
do
não
something I really
cooperar,
wanna
eu vou
do.
ter que fazer algo que realmente
Enjoy your
não
beer.
quero. Aprecie a sua cerveja. Ah, Harvey. Legal, conseguimos a roupa para entrar no FIB.
Successful?
Oh, yeah.
Take me back to the factory.
De volta à fábrica lá. Ah, sim. Fábrica de tecido, né?
That was easy.
Guess you were right. Steve Haynes is a shitty boss.
Hey, I called Frank
Chef
while you were in
Merrick.
there. He's coming to meet us.
Yeah?
Ah, Steve
What do we
Haynes.
need him for?
O Steve, ele trabalha no FIB, é verdade.
Work. Information gathering.
What information?
The plans to the office. There aren't any digital copies, or if there are, I'm not clever enough to find them. The architect is LS based, so I thought Frank could tailor them, take a hard copy.
Sounds complicated. You sure you need these plans?
Yeah, I do. If I'm gonna find a way to bypass a couple of $100 million worth of government security.
Millions? They blew that much?
Government contracts, license to steal.
Wow. We are in the wrong business.
No, we've just taken the wrong contracts.
Nossa, cara. Ó, o Franklin já tá aqui.
Ah, he's already here.
Hey, what's the
Caralho.
problem, dog?
Ei, qual é o problema, tu? O Steve é aquele arrombado.
Steve fucking Haines.
Claro.
It's always Steve Haines.
That is
É
not
sempre o Steve
strictly
Haines.
true. It's either Steve Haines
Ou
or
é
it's
Steve
Trevor
Haines
or
ou
it's his
Trevor.
family. It's always one of them.
Yeah, that's true. It is always one of them.
Eles, cuzão.
That'll fuck with a horrible
Sou um velho
family,
corpo
even
fudido com
worse
uma família
friends.
horrível e
I
amigos
told you,
piores
Franklin,
ainda.
I ain't a good role model.
Não sou um bom exemplo, ponto
Whatever,
final.
dog. It's either this
Sei lá,
or Dylan Dimebag.
ou ir
The
boa
bullets come
boca
cracking
com...
at your ass either way.
Thanks.
We need to find
Thanks.
out something about this FIB building.
Sobre esse prédio o
Next time I
FIB.
meet a morally destitute, totally
A
delusional,
gente
highly
do
corrupt
governo ao
government
leste da
agent.
puta, hein?
I hope he's a nice one.
Man, I'm not going in that motherfucker by myself.
No. Nobody is going in. We need to do some recon.
Aí o
We need a
escritório de
little more
planejamento
information.
deles, né?
Shit.
Desde o primeiro
We
golpe lá
need
da joalheria.
architectural plans, but they're not online anywhere, so I'm gonna need paper copies. The architect's name is Chip Peterson. This was his first big
Chip
commission. and the office is down in
Peterson. Chip Peterson.
All right.
Ok.
Franklin, you go tell him for a little
Run.
while, and then we'll talk.
All right, dog, I got you.
Try not to hurt yourself.
Oh, good. I'll call you when I've got the information.
Pera aí, cara, deixa eu ver um negócio.
Reloading!
Vamos matar o Lester. Eu tava pensando aqui. E ele não morre.
It'll take me some time to research this stuff. Don't hang around.
Citizens report terrorist activity in northern La Mesa.
Caraca, velho. Vamos ver a minha família como está. Só pra terminar essa última missão, vou fazer a família do Michael de volta.
Oh, you screwed up my car! Come on, asshole! Come on! Crazy! Yo, what's up? Oh yeah, things just having it this.
got lucky, buddy.
You're lucky, buddy.
I guess I'm not having a very good day.
Vamos ver. Ai, ai. Reunindo a família. Casa tudo vazia, tudo. Ai, ai. Michael tá sozinho.
Hey.
Hey, oh, Jimmy.
Oh. Hey.
I'm sorry I spiked you, okay? I get so mad and I can't control things, and then, shit just falls on top of me. My life sucks right now, and I don't know what to do except I want to say I love you and hug it out, but all that wimpy shit is just, well, I'd say gay, but I have some friends who are gay, so that's not cool anymore, and the ones that I don't really like, it's not because they're gay, so lame, all right? You are just a lame and angry psycho sometimes. You do bad shit and things. I don't know if I love you, and I'm pretty sure I hate you a little bit, but I'm just so fucking upset that we can't even see each other. And you're just a drunk, lame dad.
You know what? That might just be the nicest thing anybody's ever said to me.
So will you buy me a car?
What?
I mean, car? Not in the "so will you buy me a car" kind of way, in a completely off-topic, can you buy me a car? I mean, firstly, I'm a fat shit that you ruined. And secondly, I will get a job, and I will stop smoking pot, in that sort of way, okay?
I love you too, son. Now, go. Get a job. 'Cause I don't have the money to buy you a car. Besides which way, I'm probably gonna be dead in a couple weeks anyway.
Please don't die, okay?
Please don't die, okay?
It's great catching up with you two, Dad.
Yeah.
Vamos reunir a família.
Hey, how's your mother?
Oh, she's great. No, she's not. She's bored. I mean, all this mesmerizing tantric sex she's been having with a much younger, better built, caring and compassionate man is great and all, but what's she gonna do for the other 6 hours of the day?
What the fuck?
I'm just winding you up, you miserable bastard. She's mad at you. She's scared that you're gonna die, and she wants you to go over there and prove that you give a fuck.
All right.
Fuck.
All right, all right.
All right, all right.
I can take a fucking hint. Let's go. We'll get Tracy on the way.
Tracy, on the other hand, she's a star.
Tracy.
Sort of.
É, isso aí.
I think Mom's at Bean Machine. Are you gonna take this seriously? Bad dad! Ah!
Vamos lá, Bean Machine.
So, what's been happening?
You know, I don't know, stuff?
No, I don't know.
Well, what's been happening with
Bom, eu
you?
quero que você me conta de novo.
Thanks. It's been...
O de sempre, ó.
It's anyone's guess.
Yeah. Yeah, I get it.
Sim, eu sei,
You
eu
were out of
sei.
the city?
Sure, you guys were gone, so I thought I'd, you know...
Eu não
Let's
estava
maybe
aqui,
not
então...
pretend it was anything to do with us. Oh, okay. Here they are. Fabian, too? Oh, what a treat.
Guess we better walk
Sei
up to
bem.
him.
Olha o carro da Amanda.
Oh, caffeine. Come on. Your curling has been sluggish for weeks.
A little bit less lifestyle guru and a little bit more boy toy, please.
Excuse me, I'm trying to
Excuse
write
me.
a screen
Shush,
share.
woman.
Fabian!
Hey, Amanda. Fabian.
Ei,
Michael.
Fabian.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Jimmy.
Oi, mãe. Oi, Jimmy.
Picture of holistic
Depois,
well-being, I don't think. Maybe they shit once a year between them.
Oh! That's my son!
Oh!
Amanda, come. I have a new unitard on hold. You must pay for it.
Hey!
Hey!
Buddy, I'm gonna ask politely that you show my wife a little respect.
Respeito com a minha mulher.
Red meat has been blocking your cheese.
Carne vermelha tem bloqueado seu
digestive
cheeks,
tract.
assim como seu aparelho digestivo.
I ain't gonna go there.
Eu não vou descer esse nível.
I'm gonna ask you one time.
Vou pedir mais uma vez, com respeito.
Just hit him, please.
Shush, woman!
Fica quieta,
Anything
mulher.
for you, sweetheart.
Qualquer coisa por você, querida. Oh, aí sim.
Had some really good work there, you dick!
There's a lot more where that came from,
Tem muito
Holmes.
mais de onde saiu esse, amigão.
Is he alive?
Ele está vivo?
Yeah, he's fine.
Sim, ele está bem.
Listen, Amanda.
Escuta, Amanda.
I'm meaning to say to you, look, I just...
What he's trying to say, Mom, is
Ele está
that he's a
tentando ser mãe.
pathetic, old, drunken mess, and he needs you. And you could do a lot better than a prima
Você
donna
poderia
yoga
ser
instructor
muito
with
do
an
que a
anal
diva de um
fixation.
poço. Aham.
Shut up!
Errei!
I guess we could try.
Acho que a gente
All I'm
podia
asking for is a
tentar.
shot.
Eu só estou pedindo uma chance.
Neutral ground.
Num território
Dr.
neutro.
Friedlander's office.
Dr. Freelander.
All of us. I'll pick up Tracy and bring her there. Meet you?
Fine. All right, you. Come on. Get up, you idiot.
Aí levanta, seu idiota.
No. No
Não.
yoga.
Nada de yoga.
All right. You know where your sister is, right?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Wait, but what about that
uma
sugar
coisa do Dr.
caffeine
Freelander.
emulsified pig fat flavored beverage I want?
Another time.
Oh,
Come on, I want one too. Later.
Tracy's meant to be at the tattoo parlor. Way to show your family you've changed.
É mostrar pra família.
What? Tracy's getting another tattoo.
No, oh God, no. That Laszlo guy's there.
Laszlo, that asshole. What's he want?
Laszlo, aquele
It's
que ele
Tracy that
quer.
wants something. She wants to get back on Fame or
Ela quer
Shame
voltar
after
ao
you and
fama
Uncle
dos
T
dramas
cut her
depois que você e o
cameos.
Trevor cortaram a
Maybe we ought to
participação.
help her out with that.
Maybe we oughta.
Hey, let me ask you. Back there with your mom. That went okay, didn't it?
Anything that ends with Fabian's burst eardrum is more than okay with me.
Yeah, I mean with me and your mom.
Can today be the day you take off from being a psycho? I think it's an important first step in, like, the direction of okay, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
So, there was me thinking that you might have grown in our time apart. Hey, I know it's just me in the car, and years of exposure to movies, video games, and the news have desensitized me to everything aside from my own neediness and fear. But can you please cut it out?
Cut what out?
Being a psychopath. Before we see Tracy, look, I want you to have a shot at this reunion thing, and if you behave like this...
All right, okay, I'll try. I promise.
I heard that before. Dad, I thought we talked about this. I shouldn't even speak, because you don't even listen. What the shit? Dad, did you take any of that in? Here's the tattoo shot. Come on, please.
Vamos lá.
I'm looking for something hip that, says I'm
Fico
capable
lá,
of
sabe?
violence, but I'm awesome in the sack. So listen, babe, if you want to make it in
Tracy.
Vinewood, you gotta do whatever it takes. Even if whatever it takes is a depressed, borderline alcoholic who hosts the third most popular talent show
Laszlo.
amongst the 40-year-old female demographic.
So, you'll let me on the show if I
vai dar
blow
programa
you?
seu.
Yes.
Nossa,
If you could
cara.
wear some black
Yes,
lipstick,
yes.
the little guy loves the goth vibe.
Oh,
Laszlo.
Whoa,
Oh.
Laszlo.
O pai
Dude, that
escutou
was
tudo, hein?
entirely out of
Agora.
context, bro.
Jim, You find the ink slinger, sit on him. Laszlo here's gonna have a little cosmetic.
Temos coisa a resolver.
Whoa, stay put, you lame-ass Mark.
Sure, kid.
What?
Whoa.
Come on, my punt days are long behind me, man.
Vamos lá.
Just not my junk, okay? I'm already scarred down there. Ah, you made me a pouty fucking hipster. Fuck the paparazzi, you're gonna love this. You fucking prick.
Que legal.
How does it look? I mean, be honest.
Galera, aí sim.
Oh, that looks pretty. Here, let's get rid of this.
Que tem com a mulherzinha.
What's daddy number
Que
two?
da hora.
Think about this.
Let's not get him involved.
Let's do.
Que da hora esse
If I
Laszlo.
knew I was getting this much work done, I would have brought a camera crew.
Tatuar as costas de Laszlo. Olha o peito.
Please don't put a gang symbol on me.
Just relax,
Nossa.
okay?
Esse era um pitinho.
Don't fucking squirm. Don't move. How about I draw those 3 little pubic hairs on here, too? There we go.
Oh,
nice.
You got like a
Nice.
camera phone or a mirror I can...
Oh, yeah, I'll get you a mirror. Smash you over the head with it.
Fuck
this. Snip.
Oh, this is a real one-stop shop. When I get nervous, I evacuate my bowels. It's seeping out.
There you go.
Oh, no, that's my signature, my ponytail. Now I gotta get extensions.
No, what you gotta
Nossa,
get
Léo,
is my
porque
daughter, whatever she
É qualquer coisa
wants.
que minha filha quiser. Opa!
Look, okay, guys, that was a joke.
Oh,
I'm a
tá bom,
clown.
pessoal,
I'm
é
a sad,
brincadeira.
lonely little clown.
You're gonna
Ei.
put her on your show and you're gonna make
Você vai
sure she
colocar no seu
looks
programa e
good.
vai certificar pra ela
Okay,
fazer
I got a lot
bonito.
of juice in this town, but I mean,
Ok.
I'm not a miracle.
Just do it.
Faço o que mandei.
Yeah. All right.
Just
All right, Trace,
sure.
let's go. We gotta get to the therapist.
So, I like call
Ah,
you
o pai tá usando o seu rabo pro bem, vai.
There's ever a family that needs therapy. My ponytail. How do I look? It's not good, is it?
Who knew you could use a tattoo gun?
It's one of those skills you pick up in prison. You know, inking your name on your cellie's ass.
Oh, I thought you were on your way to therapy.
Chill out with that. Dad! Way to show your family you've changed.
Not to be difficult, but your therapist hasn't exactly been transformational to your mental health. So I don't know why he'd be better positioned to help 4 dysfunctionals.
Hey, this was your mother's idea.
Well, I guess it beats yoga.
Pop, now he beats yoga. Literally.
Yoga.
Like Fabian, around the head with the laptop? Oh yeah, like pow! Our old man released the dude's inner tranquility all over the bean machine patio.
To be honest, and I know it's karmically bad, but yeah, I fucking hate that dude.
Yeah, I know, right? He's so up his own ass. You're a fucking contortionist. Whoopee. Can today be the day you take off from being a psycho? Whoa, hold on. Are you taking this seriously?
Getting you where you want to go. Yes, I'm taking it seriously.
Getting us where we need to be as a family. That means not behaving like a crazy person all the time.
Hey, if you want us where we need to be, we gotta go.
Please, Dad, can you make an effort? Perfect. Our big family reunion's gonna happen in a jail cell. Why did I think this wouldn't happen today?
Fuck this shit.
isn't funny. Get rid of them. Get rid of them now. Look the fuck out, bro.
Legal.
Hello, precious
Really wish we could get arrested and learn a lesson, but we really don't have time. I got dirt on you now, Pop. I won't tell Mom, but you gotta behave. Just calm down and drive like a normal person. An average Joe.
No one in this town drives normal. The traffic makes them crazy.
Please, do it for me. Do it for Tracy. Do it for yourself.
I'll try. That's all I can say.
Dad, did you take any of that in?
Legal essa reunião familiar.
What the fuck out!
Forget our conversation?
Reunindo a família.
Michael, kids, let's go inside. Okay.
Até que não vou no consultório do Dr. Freelander.
Amanda.
Hello. Amanda,
good to
olá.
see you again, Michael. I'm so glad.
Isn't
this great?
Fantastic.
Michael, be positive.
I am being positive. This is me being positive.
Give it up, Michael. The sarcasm. It's one of the reasons I moved out. It's beneath you.
No, it's not, Amanda. Trust me.
Não é,
Nothing's
Amanda.
beneath
Confia em
me.
mim.
No, normally there's a whore beneath
Não, normalmente.
You know, for someone who spends every waking moment working on themselves inside and out, I gotta tell you, the progress has been really fucking slow.
How would you know what progress is like, you stupid murdering shit?
Gee, because all you do is whine at me.
Oh, all I do is whine. Michael, could you please stop murdering people? Michael, could you please stop endangering me and the both of your children? You kill people, and then you sit in the sun and drink and feel guilty about it. That is not work.
I don't see you complaining on the way to the fucking bank.
I see you.
I mean, let's face it, Amanda. We're trailer trash, you and me. We were taught to do this.
Get a center, Michael. You have no center.
How about you suck my cock? Huh? No, wait. We'll both get a center before that ever happens.
You are such a fucking animal, a deranged animal.
You're fucking ain't right on deranged. How could I not be?
I should have had you locked up years ago, you stupid shit.
Do it.
Nossa, que confusão.
Fucking around with the rest of them.
And that's really all the time we have.
Oh.
Great.
I think we made some real progress there.
Robert, man.
Oh, Michael.
Assim, Michael. O Dr. Freelander. A gorjeta, né?
More expensive.
What, double?
Squared.
Ao quadrado.
Of course.
Take care now.
Cuidem-se.
So you gonna come home with me or what?
Guess we'll give it a try.
All right then.
Kids!
All right.
So, will you drive us home?
You know, there was a moment there. I thought...
What?
I don't know, like maybe we still had a ways to go. You know, like maybe we need more time.
Time for what?
Time to move beyond screaming at each other.
That was cathartic.
Catharsis all over my face.
Ooh, I got a warm, fuzzy feeling.
Bom pressentimento.
Probably just the meds you raided.
Okay. Cathartic. All right. I just don't want it to be more of the same.
Now you're the one making the demands?
No, not demands. I'm saying you're right. Something was broke, and we gotta work at fixing it.
We do. All of us.
Yes, Mom.
For real, peeps.
Because I started to understand something in there. No one else gets this family. Not Dr. Friedlander, or my yoga teacher, or our tennis coach, or the juice guy, or the dog walker.
Oh, hey.
Or Jimmy's third grade teacher.
Or the trash guy.
Or Dad's proctologist.
Or the guy that thinks he's Jesus on Vespucci Beach.
Or the hippie bum who thinks the world is
Cara
ending.
que acha que é Jesus
We're
de
stuck
Vespucci
with
Beach.
each other.
Oh, no.
I mean, how do you explain faking our deaths, changing our names, all the lying to the FIB? That monster, Trevor.
There's no explaining Uncle T.
Hey, is he coming to the next therapy session?
What? No. Jeez.
Just one thing, Michael. Don't get us killed. And don't get killed. Can you do that?
I'll give it my best shot. With every fiber of my being, I will do whatever it takes to make sure it doesn't happen. Promise.
And no more hookers or other women.
Yeah, Dad. Gross.
You're better than that, Pop.
Guys, I'm not really comfortable having this conversation.
Just keep it in your pants, okay?
Yeah, it's so demeaning how you treat women.
In front of your kids! What's wrong with you?
What's going on, my dude?
Are you kidding me? You're the same old maniac. This is the example you set? Today, when we're meant to be making up? What a fantastic advertisement for the new you, Michael. Really, how you've changed.
All right, I'm on the way to change.
You've got to take this seriously. Your kids are in the car, and your wife. Not that you give a shit.
I do give a shit. Honestly. God.
Are you fucking crazy?
That was a human being. like it.
I'm sorry. I just... Look, let me get you home, and then I'll change. Tomorrow's a new day.
We've heard that before.
Yeah, well, this time it's true. I guess I needed you to see me, and how...
I thought this was the new you. You are not having a shootout with the police in our house. Detour was, we'd all like to go home now.
Wow. You know, I can feel myself learning. That's a weird feeling. I guess it's me growing as a person.
That sounds like bullshit, Michael.
I'm a bad driver, okay? Look, I get worked up and I act out. That's me.
Pretend to be decent for a minute. Well, it certainly seems like you're putting our lives at risk.
Babe, I don't want to condescend, but you ain't a professional when it comes to these type of situations, which, by the way, I am. And I'm telling you, this has all been very low risk, despite appearances.
You want me to bet my kids' lives on that kind of wishy-washy...
You
Michael,
maniac!
that was a human being!
You're not betting our kids' lives on anything. I'm telling you. They're in good hands. You're all in good hands. I'll get you there.
You better.
I will. It's all a-okie-dokie, kids. Now,
Okay,
I spy
kid.
with my little eye something beginning with A.
An asswipe, like the one driving the vehicle?
Alrighty then. We'll be home soon. Here we are. Home sweet home. Remember this place?
Ah, lembro sim.
Kids, rooms.
Crianças,
If you find
quartos.
dead bodies,
Se
cheap
encontrar
women, or
corpos,
Trevor
mulheres,
Philips,
ou Trevor
we're checking
Philips,
into the Rockford
você
Hills
vai pra
Hotel.
Rockford Hill Hotel. Legal. Opa, onde nós estamos indo aqui?
Morning after the night before.
Ó, o Trevor, tô pelando.
Sorry, kids, but I've got to run off. Enjoy it. It's a classic.
Time e Trace, a família tá reunida novamente.
Did you just gas on me? Gross.
Bom, galera, por hoje é só. A gente vai continuar na próxima parte de GTA V, beleza? Quase 3 horas de gameplay. É isso daí. Já fizemos um progresso. A gente continua na próxima parte. Peço para que todos estiverem chegando, deixem um like, não vai custar nada, participem da comunidade Discord. E apoiem o canal quem quiser, galera. Beleza? Doação Pix ajuda muito. Então é isso aí, galera. A gente se vê no próximo episódio, na próxima parte do GTA V, beleza? E peço quem gostou, deixa o like. Hoje fizemos o resgate no Michael e também reunimos a família do Michael. Então é isso aí, galera. Valeu, um forte abraço, até a próxima. Com certeza vai ser o esquema de invasão do FIB. Então é isso aí, galera. Um forte abraço a todos. E estejam na paz. É isso aí, falou, fui.